Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam.
The governments today are supporting the most outrageous sinful activities. So how is it possible to reform the general mass of people?
Do you mean to say the government is perfect?
No.
They must be good. Government means nowadays all rascals. They are elected by rascals and they are rascals. That is the difficulty. Everywhere you go, you meet only rascals. Manda. The definition is given, Manda. Even in our camp, there are so many rascals. You see the report?
Yes.
Even they have come to
Yesterday.
be reformed, and they are rascals.
Yes.
They cannot give up their rascal habits. Therefore it has been generalized. Manda, all bad. But only difference is that in our camp the beds are being reformed. Outside there is no reform. There is hope of their being good. When outside there is no hope. That is the difference. Otherwise everyone is bad. Without any discrimination, you can say, Manda, Samanna Matu. Now how the government will be good? This is also bad. Mahapurush's name is Patit Pavan. He is delivering all bad men. In the Kali Yuga there is no good man at all. All bad. Strong you will have to become to deal with all bad men.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama.